the Meesho product under 200. Hello guys, welcome back to my new channel and new video. So in this video we are going to talk about Meesho makeup product under 200. So I will definitely tell you guys, this was a very nice experience with Meesho, and this was the very first time I have ordered from the Meesho, and I got a very good review and very good product honestly. So yeah, let's get started. I will show you some of the product which you can buy under 150, sorry, under 200, and the product is very nice. So yeah, let's get started. So the first product what I would like to show you all will be this sponge box. Yeah, so I got this for 150, and in this is very nice, beauty blender. This blender is very nice. In this you will get the 6 blender, in which 3 will be the small one, small like this, and the 3 will be the larger one. I will be sharing you the link in the description, you guys can go and check there. But this is very nice, and look at the jar, my goodness, this is a plastic ka jar. This is very nice guys. You can definitely go for it. So someone who has a low budget, you can definitely go for this. It's work like a magic, so you can definitely go for this. And the second product what I would like to highlight will be, obviously if you have a blender you need to have a brush, and you all know all the branded brush are so costly. So I was scrolling down on the Meesho and I got some brushes. This is a pouch. There's a 13 brush set in this. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, it's like this. So this is a set of 13 brushes, and this all, see, like I have already used this one and this one. You can see the makeup over this, but this is very nice. Okay, guess the price. This is only for the 200. I know you can't believe, but this is only for the 200. And someone who is learning makeup, or for the self makeup, for learning purpose, I will definitely tell you guys, this is very, and this is very soft as well. It's not like 150 when you're getting Nalla product. It's not like that. So you can rub this. This is very smooth, and you know, yeah, this is very nice. You can definitely go for this. You will get these brushes in this pouch, a little tiny pouch. You can, after using this, you can put this, not this, and yeah. So the third product what I would like to definitely highlight will be this thing. This is not a makeup product, but yeah, this is the very nice thing what I have ordered. This is only for the 100 rupees, like 99 rupees from the Meesho. This is a head massager. This is very nice product. See this. So after doing your shampoo or oiling your head, you can definitely use this head massager time. So yeah, this is nice product. You can definitely go for this. Also this t-shirt what I am wearing right now, this is also from the Meesho. I am going to share you the link in the description. You guys can go and check over there. So yeah, now I am going to share you all the makeup product what I use under 500. Under 500, like it's not almost 500, it's almost 350, 400 max. So the someone whose budget is low budget makeup product, I use that product as a day-to-day life. Whenever I go for a traveling purpose, and whenever I go for the office or some event, I definitely use that only, and that is very light and you know, best product from my side. So you can definitely go for this. So thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel.